Today I'm making crispy fruity pebble bars. First, in a large bowl I have 1½ sticks of softened butter. Next I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Then add 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and mix that up until smooth and creamy. Then add 1 cup of flour. Next add 1/2 cup of Fruity Pebbles cereal. Then add 2 tablespoons of milk and mix this up until the dough comes together. Now I have a lined 9x9 pan. I'm going to add the Fruity Pebbles dough into the pan and press it in and then bake this at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. Once the crispy bars are done and cooled, I'm going to pour over some white chocolate and spread that out. Lastly, I'm going to sprinkle some Fruity Pebbles on top and then let this set up for 1 hour before slicing. Here's an up-close look at the Fruity Pebble crispy bars.